Hello friends, it's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and I'm excited to be with you today to share my creation using the new Kendra's Card Challenge 8, and I am using Sketch 17, but we'll get more to that later. This is a hop, and so each of the crafters on the hop will be showing a project that was using one of the card sketches from the new quarterly card challenge, Kendra's Card Challenge number 8. I'll be sharing, like I already said, I'll be sharing card sketch number 17. Plus, there'll be a giveaway prize for this video hop, so make sure you comment and subscribe at each stop along the way. And in your comment, be sure to include your country for prize awarding purposes. At the top of the description box, you'll find the link to the next person in the lineup. I'm actually the last stop on this hop, so I will link to the beginning in case you kind of started halfway through. And excuse me, I hope you take some time to watch all of them, and we love your comments and thumbs up. And if you aren't a subscriber, hope you'll consider subscribing and click on that bell for notifications. And you can also use the hashtag that's in the title to find the videos as well. So if you're new to Kendra's Card Challenge, let me tell you a little bit about it. I have shared before. I've used Card Challenge 6. I was in a hop last time for Card Challenge number 7. I'm still working my way through those. I'm a very slow crafter. I overthink things way too much, but it's still fun. If you want to do the prizes, though, you do need to enter Challenge 8 between October 1st and December 31st. On Kendra's channel, she will have the intro video that'll tell you all the details that you need to know about entering it, how to enter, all that stuff. But basically, you go to Kendra's challenge, it'll direct you where you can get the printable. It's a 6x6 paper cutting template. 6 sheets of paper equals 17 cards. So she gives you a very detailed description photo. She tells you which way you need to cut and like the direction. And so there's the cutting guides. So there's for all 6 papers. And then you get into the sketches. And again, everything is very detailed. It will tell you like how big it needs to be, the layers. Very, very nice. So like I said, I am doing sketch number 17. And then on the end sheet, it also tells you the instructions, helpful hints, and how to enter. I must admit, I had a very big case of indecision when it came to doing this. So I kind of went outside the box and I just used the sketch to create one card, which I knew you could do that, but I never, it's like I made the card challenge 6, I did them all and I filed it away. And then it never dawned on me, you can go back and use these for individual sketches too, if you don't have time to do the whole thing or whatever. Granted, you wouldn't be entered for the prizes, but it's a great resource. I intend to do all of these at some point, but for today, for my card, like I said, I'm using sketch 17. I used my handy dandy Stampin' Up! Banner punch because I wanted my fishtails to look nice. I used some ink and splatter farm fresh paper. I recently just found this company and I am in love. And then I used their Utterly Fabulous stamp set. Again, everything will be in the description box below, things that I used and so on. And so here is my card. Have an utterly fabulous day. I just love that cow, and I really, really like this sketch. Those fun banners there. And then on the inside, I stamped that cow, and again, I put those banners to kind of carry that theme across. So I will put the sketch over there so you can see how it compares, but very, very fun and very, very cute. So that is my card. Like I said, I am the last stop on the hop, but if you haven't checked out the other videos, I hope that you'll do that. And when you enter the challenge, there are a ton of prizes. Kendra does such an amazing job of lining up sponsors, and there's prizes from many, 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 like Colorado Craft Company, Gina K, Not Too Shabby, I think Sweet November. The list goes on and on and on. So definitely give it a chance. Go over, download it, and get busy crafting. It's an easy peasy fun way to make the most out of your papers and have some cards done and added to your stash. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until my next video, I hope you have an amazing day. Bye.